Good morning. Here we are in San Bernardino, and as you can see, we are doing a floor, Douglas fir. You can see the condition. This was covered by a carpet. We're going to be redoing this entire floor. Customer has not decided if he's going to go stained or natural. We're going to leave some samples for him to take a look at in the back. It's an upstairs area, small hallway, 2 bedrooms. We already got started on this side, and you can see the difference. This over here looked like that over there. And over here, we have a staircase that we're going to be redoing. Some of these nosings have to be some repairs done, some filling. And as we head down, you start seeing the difference. Again, we're not sure if he's going to go with stain or natural, but either way, it's going to look a lot better. Here we are in San Bernardino, day number 2. And yesterday we started with this floor. It was in pretty rough shape, if you guys remember the video. As you can see, we've been sanded down and it has been stained a red mahogany. This is a Douglas fir, and you can see the difference. Little closets are also done as well. It's a little hard to see because they're kind of dark. Floors just got done drying. Little squeaky spot you can't do anything about. Our customer already saw some of the pictures of this and he really liked it a lot. So it took 2 days. Came out really nice. Oh, and also did some stairs.